Okay, I think it's working. Okay, kia ora everyone, my name is Tia. I am currently literally one day away from starting at Te Wānanga Taki Ura, which is a full immersion Te Reo Māori course, and I decided it would be a good idea to vlog my experiences, and so this is my first one before I start, and I really wanted to do this today because I wanted to have something to look back on and just have a moment to sit and reflect on where I'm at, how I'm feeling before this new journey kicks into gear. I'll be honest, I'm very nervous and obviously super excited, but I think the reason that I'm so nervous is because having Te Reo has always been like something I've wanted, like so many of us, and it's always just been like just out of reach. I grew up on Waiheke Island, born and bred baby, and I grew up in the bilingual units and had always had a connection to my Māori side. Did kapahaka all through primary school and all through high school. Shout out to Ngā Purapura and Piringako. But yeah, Te Reo has always been that one thing that has just never been in my kite, and it's always been like quite a big insecurity of mine. I think that kind of explains why I feel this like heaviness, and like it's a good heaviness, but it is definitely a heaviness about starting this new journey with Te Wānanga Taki Ura. And the fact that it's starting tomorrow is just like something I cannot wrap my head around. Also, you're going to have to forgive me because this setup is less than ideal. I'm currently sitting in the bathroom because it's the only place that I can film. I don't have a tripod, so girl, you're sitting on the sink right now. I also don't know where to look, so I don't know whether or not from now on I want to look here or look at the monitor or what. So this is all just kind of like brand new. Obviously I'm also very nervous to be on camera like this. I feel like, yeah, I don't know, it's just a lot to take in. I don't know what to expect. And I've just never really put myself in this position of like vulnerability, and whilst also being super excited. It feels like oxymoronic, but it's cool. It's cool. Just gotta breathe and chill. But I can't tell you how excited I am for tomorrow. Sorry, let me just start off by saying today is the 8th of February, which means 2 days ago we had Waitangi Day, and it just seems to be, well, to me anyway, something quite significant about the fact that we have just had Waitangi Day and I'm about to go in on this journey. It's just something about it that has a little bit different. I can't wait to keep doing these check-ins with you guys, or with whoever is watching, with myself, let's be honest. I honestly don't know what to expect, and it's kind of nice, but also really scary. So those are my thoughts one day before I start my course, and I wish I could properly articulate what's going on in here, but I feel like as time goes on I'll get better and better. I won't have to hunch and be in the frame of this video. To say I am excited is an understatement, and to say that I'm nervous is also an understatement. I'm about to embark on a journey that will change my life forever, which kind of takes my breath away. Ciao. Anyways, on that note, stay tuned